Hello, this is a video review for the Sabre Travel Kit pepper spray. I'm just gonna kind of show you what it looks like. This is the carrying case, which is super nice. The pepper spray, it expires in 2027, it's 2023, so mine at least lasts 4 years. There is a safety lock on here, so you do have to turn it over and then press down. You can see that. I'm gonna put it back in a safe position. We do not wanna test that in here by any means. It's nice, it's got a nice little grip right here, and it does have a keychain. It does say Sabre or Sabre, whatever it is. Put on your keys. Children shouldn't be able to move it. It is pretty easy, which is a good thing in the event that you're in an emergency and you gotta hurry. It's a bad thing because my 7-year-old easily can just. So in that case, basically I plan to just keep this in my car just like this in a safe place where my kids won't get it. If I am ever worried about it or anything, I'll take it out, carry it with me. Or yeah, that's probably what I'll do. But it is super easy to use. I've been wanting to have some pepper spray. There's just been some weird things going on out there. You just never know. So like I said, twist it over, press. I think it sprays about 10 feet. I'll double check that. But yeah, just twist, spray, boom, protection.